Hello there, so a couple of months ago I animated this bouncing Sonic and I'd completely forgotten that I did it. I was just tidying up my hard drive and I found it, so I thought I'll make it into a quick video. Now you've seen me doing bounces on this channel before, they're quite straightforward. What I did for this was I had a spinning Sonic kind of blue blobby shape and I made that in various different dimensions, squash and stretch, some a little bit wider, some a little bit taller. At the top of every bounce, Sonic would appear. And to help prop him up, I used some blue tack underneath to just prop up the end because the sculpt wouldn't lay flat on the table. And then I used these blue Sonic shapes for the bounce. And you can see I've got a round, I've got a squashed one, I've got a stretched one, and then I've got a couple of more extreme squash and stretches as well. And I just switch them out every frame to create the bounce. And as you can see as well, in this actual animation, the pupils aren't there, so I digitally added the pupils on in Premiere afterwards. I created them in Photoshop, brought them in, and then added them on. I think I showed you how I did that in my previous Sonic video, so if you are interested, I'll link that at the end. Like I said in my video last week, I'm thinking of mixing things up on this channel a little bit. I'm going to do less of the tutorials and I think I'm going to focus more on short films. And of course, with the short films, I will make videos to support them that shows you how I've made them. But I just think that perhaps making some short films will be more fulfilling for me. I will learn more doing that and hopefully you will enjoy them as well. And also I'm going to be doing this question and answer series. Hopefully the first video will be coming out in the next couple of weeks. If you have any questions relating to stop motion, do leave them in the comments and I'll make sure to add them into the mix. If you're not already subscribed and you like what I do, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and tap the bell to be notified every time I make a new video. Thank you very much for watching and I'll catch you again in the next one.